how to buy Astra AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Astra, like that. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. For most important, go and keep or engage with their community. As you can see, they have almost 20,000 followers, as you can see here. So to be able to buy this token, go and this token, it's available on the screener. Go and find it there. Now this token, as you can see, the liquidity here are locked by the 86%. That's good. It means that your investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to copy the token address from here, and remember this token address under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For this I will use the Bitget wallet. Now go to your wallet, select the network as a Ethereum from here, like that. After that, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here, click on this plus icon, but before that, make sure to read that warning alert. Now make sure to read all of that, and if you are ready to go, just click on confirm. Now after that, click on this plus icon. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find your token that you just added. Just scroll down, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. After that, click on this swap and switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. But before that, make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. Of course, you can increase that amount or decrease it. So the option is you can make the decision here. Either you want to increase the amount of USDT or decrease it. Now here you will see how much you receive that token. After that, it's easy and simple. Just click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Astra token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.